guys, it has been a while. Yeah, I was on a little bit of a week. I might go back in a couple days, so yeah, I forgot to warn you guys about that, yeah. So we might as well go back to the lab, because something tells me I got something I have to do. Yeah. We gotta be careful, though. I don't want to go to jail here. Okay, so... yeah. Remember how I said this was not easy to open? I was not lying. Okay, so we go down there, we are going to go. Yeah. So I will be voicing a villager. There we go. No. Oh, there's a creeper in my house. Why? Okay, it's done. We dealt with this. Past. Okay, guys, maybe we need something. Okay, okay, guys, are we okay? Do we need to add some of this to the layer? Say, but it's more documented that way. I have something in the test room. Oh, the test room. It's a story. What's in the test room that's so important? I just hope it's nothing too dangerous. Okay, so we are here. Wait a minute, why is the wither on my screen all of a sudden? I don't think it... oh, God. I hear something. No. We have to, I'm gonna have to talk to my villagers about this. We can't have a wither in the testing room. What the heck were they thinking? Okay. Why do we have a wither in this room? What do you mean it's a good idea? We don't need to you just back. Dude, come on. Fine, I'll go deal with the issue. Great. Great, this is just fun. So fun. In fact, I'm tearing up that I have to deal with this wither problem, and that's in my test room. Great. Okay. Oh, you're over here. Fun. Do I take him out for a walk? I hope not. That's gonna suck. I'm gonna go ask him. Do I kill him? I probably should. I probably want to experiment, but hey, we'll do that. Okay, question. I got a question for you. Oh yeah, is there a chance we can kill it? Killing it for like stuff, you know? Ignore the zombies in the background. What are you... okay, he just said... don't kill it. I don't have much of an option, dude. That thing's gonna kill me if I don't. So, I suppose it's time to put some lights in this goddamn place. Goodbye. Time to get us that. I have to wonder, can I put it on a leash? Because if so, I have to take it out. I can't put it on. Okay. Beat, let's flip and go. So we got a couple options. We're gonna have to take the thing out. And I have just a point. Potion. Yeah, I hope that nothing bad happens from this. Yeah, like all things considered. Potion of harming. Yeah, I'm afraid I have to. So anyway, this guy's gonna get that guy level. Ow. This gap. We can't go through here, so we're good. Well, I gotta fix another piano. Oh! You okay, dude? Oh, we got that well. We're doing pretty well. But I gotta fix this room, so I'm gonna fix that. You know. Kinda have to. Mostly because I don't want to have another monster like that in my room.
One more.
Yeah. So, we got a lot of stuff there. We just killed a wither storm. I mean, totally justified, though. It was... it's Minecraft Gotcha. Yeah.
Mom needs you.
Okay, guys, so we are doing a lot of things here today.
Mom needs you.
So, guys, I'm afraid there's a lot of things we gotta do. So, let's see what the police have. I hope we got it. Wait, there's a knock at the door. Who's knocking at the door? Oh. Okay, so there's no one at the door. So that's odd. Okay, so yeah, so I've been just like watching around for things now. All things considered, I was just looking around. The Bark! Oh my god, gotcha, you have been found guilty. Guilty of what? Destroying something. Wait, no, there's no need to!